All right. As we speak, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Spooked park stoops to another low. Civilians on target. Cowardly parks target are our civilians. Pakistan has resorted to unprovoked firing. I'm given to understand that Tetri is joining us on the broadcast. Tetri, civilians are being targeted by Pakistan. Where are you reporting from? What's the status?
Well, yes, let me tell you that we are reporting from Rajouri, and in fact here also there was late night ceasefire violation continuously from the side of Pakistan. In fact, first of all, let me show you the visuals. On my left hand side there is the POK from where continuously there were cross border firing. Not just that, but the mortars were fired, the shells were, in fact there was entire night there was shelling, and in fact also the firing continued the entire night. However, because of which you can see the kind of damage the civilians had to face over here. What we are also getting to know is that approximately 5 civilians were injured in this entire ceasefire violation. We'll just try to go inside this particular house and try to gauge so as to what must have happened over here in the night. You can see in the visuals that just because of this shelling here, you can see that how this entire house is damaged. This channel gate, which is a very strong channel gate made up of iron, that is also completely damaged. This house, these you can also see these marks of the shells, because remember that when the mortars are fired, there are splinters that leave these such kind of marks. So you can see that the marks here on the walls are damaged, and not just the room from where we are reporting, but the damage could be seen in each and every room here at my right hand side as well. I would like to ask Amit ji to come this side. I would like to show the visuals of, it seems to be the bedroom of the family who has been staying over here, and it certainly was a very difficult time for all of them. Definitely this particular area has been evacuated now, but remember that what Pakistan has been doing, they are continuously targeting the civilians. And remember that Rajouri, this is not for the first time. Certainly when there was a ceasefire violation in the past few days after the Pahalgam terror attack, there have been multiple ceasefire violations, not just at the LOC but also at the international borders as well, because also we reported and showed you that how was the situation at the last village over there near the international border, where the people were also prepared to face such kind of situation. And you can see that how the images are over here. Nobody is staying over here. People have left their houses. This seems to be an iron pipe, and in this also you can see that how there are these marks over here, which shows the kind of retaliation or in fact unprovoked firing the Pakistan has been doing over here since India launched Operation Sindoor. And in fact that's why now Pakistan seems to be completely rattled. Let me show you the visuals on my left hand side. Show there, Amiji, that's the POK, that's that side. And in fact from there only there was continuous firing, continuous shelling from that particular end, because of which the civilians had to face this kind of situation. And one thing what we are making clear, that it is India who targeted the terrorists. India targeted the terror camps. But Absolutely. What Pakistan has been doing, this is the picture of what Pakistan has been doing. Pakistan is targeting the innocent civilians, not just in this particular area, but in several areas that are close to LOC, that are close to the international border. Because the important thing to note over here is that there are certain areas which are very much easily visible, because at certain point of time there are posts of Pakistan which are at higher levels from where the houses of civilians could easily be seen. So that is very much clear. One fact is very much clear, that Pakistan is making such kind of deliberate attempts to target the civilians, because of which they have to leave, they are getting injured. And also we have been reporting from several areas so as to how they are violating again and again ceasefire, and not just that, but deliberately targeting the civilians. We also saw the reports from Uri that how the people are leaving their houses.